Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So it's still your favorite girl, and I'm your go-to girl. So today guys, I'll be sharing with you my daily skincare routine, my updated skincare routine. I'm going to be leaving details for you guys what I've used so far on all my skincare routine, and it's really helped my skin, and I'm really happy for what the results I've seen so far. Thank you so much for sticking around with me. Let's go to the video for today.